Does your Surron foot peg does this? The spring is all loose ever since you got an aftermarket foot peg? And this video will fix that. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today with another upgrade video for the Surron. More of a fix-it video than an upgrade video. I know most of us are rocking aftermarket foot pegs. We all know that the original Surron foot pegs are as thin as my finger right here, and most of us aren't rocking them. Now some of us, yeah, go for that Warp 9 or some of these other brands that come with this piece as well. If you do that, then you most likely are good because it comes with better springs. But most of us, like me, this is just an Amazon one, which I'll leave a link down in the description. Basic one does the job perfectly. These things right here, super grippy. I'm fine with these, but these are the original Surron springs and they do not work. For some reason, the left side is like this and my right side is a little better. See how it comes back? But it's still not sitting 100% right here. The spring is not 100% right. So in this video, we'll fix that and I'll show you how to solve this issue. So let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we need to do is remove this clip from over here. You can do that with a screwdriver, and then there's a washer which will come out. And once we do that, we're gonna push the pin through up and release it. Now, right now the spring doesn't have any tension, so it shouldn't go anywhere. If you are doing this on your stock spring, I would recommend covering it with a rag or something, because when we remove the pin, that spring is gonna wanna jump at you, might hurt you, hit your eye. So extra safety, just put a little rag. All right, so this clip over here is very similar to the clip on the battery cover. I like to use this little sharp tool to help me get a hold of it. And then we can pop it out. There it goes. So we got that out. Let's see where it went. Oh, there it is. So it's this little clip, C-clip. And then there's a washer that comes along with that. Keep it on the side. Now we're able to push this pin through. And there it goes. So that is the old spring. The original Surron spring is no good. I'll show you how to fix that right now. All right, so what you're gonna need for this is hop on eBay or Amazon. These are Honda clips. And this is the part number. You can either pause and write it down. I'll also leave the part number in the description so you can have that. There are two different part numbers. One is for the left and one is for the right. All right, there it is. You guys can pause and get it, but these are Honda ones that should fit perfectly. All right, so I opened up the clip. I'll make sure to write down which one's for the left, which one's for the right. Just grab our foot peg. And let's see. It's pretty simple right there. Hopefully you guys can see the way it fits perfectly. I got the pin through. Now all I have to do is put the washer back on and the clip. Fit the washer back on. And then the clip. Sits on there. Let me just give it a little hit. There it is. All right, got the foot peg back in action, baby. Now pretty much repeat the same step on the other side. Not gonna bore you with that. Same procedure, just use the other spring. Again, I'll leave the links for both springs in the description. They're pretty cheap, and also for the foot pegs, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a quick little fix-it video. If you like this type of content, definitely leave a like, drop a comment, make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel out, lets me know that I'm doing a good job and continue to do this. It's like the fuel to my fire. We'll have a lot more how-to videos, fix-it videos, reviews, and all kinds of goodies and adventures coming up soon. So make sure to subscribe. But that's pretty much it for me. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!